So now we're going to be discussing why popular diet and exercise programs don't work. And the short and simple answer for this is because most of them aren't sustainable. And if they aren't sustainable, they probably aren't enjoyable, or they put your body in too much of a caloric deficit, or they're too demanding, or they're too stressful, or they don't work with your lifestyle. And that's the biggest problem that I've seen with most of my clients and students on Udemy, is that they followed programs before that are finite in terms of time and progression, such as a 90-day program, a 60-day program, 30-day, 21-day, 17, 18, 19-day, 3 to 7-day detoxes and body weight workout plans and what have you that you see all over magazines and Pinterest and Twitter and so on and so forth. And the problem with that is that popular diet and exercise programs don't give you a contingency plan as far as what you should do after you get done with that day. After you get done with that time period, you'll ask yourself, I'm not sure what I should do. Should I start back from the beginning and do this? The chances are, if you have progressed through their program, you've also progressed with the amount of work that you can do, your work capacity, the amount of weight that you can lift, repetitions you can do, the time that you can work, the time that you can keep your body and muscles under tension, and the intensity that you can elevate to and be able to generate. Now, you've raised the strength, endurance, cardiovascular threshold on your body and you've improved, but they've left you at the cliff saying, well, now you got to jump off on your own and see how you survive. And this isn't one of those programs. I'm going to be continually adding new workouts and new information and new strategies to keep you involved and to keep your curiosity piqued and to keep you interested in this. This isn't a program that's going to put you into a calorie deficit that'll make your blood sugar bottom out and you'll crash and you'll never be happy and you'll be frustrated with everything. And those programs, the popular ones, you'll struggle with everything from stress to your sleep schedule and just not feeling well all the time. And you'll reach for caffeine to cope for low blood sugar levels and so on. And this course is making up for everything that's popular out there by giving you a contingency plan. I'm not leaving you at the edge, or I'm not leaving you at the cliff, or I'm not saying, well, this is all the information you have, and from here on out, you just have to figure this out for yourself. I want to continually educate you with everything that I'm learning, testing, trying. I know that there's always a better way to do something. Right now, I've given you the best ways I know to optimize fat loss and popping out those abs, specifically getting those abs to pop and exaggerate those, because that's what we all want and that's what you're here for. That's exactly what you're going to get with this course. But I'm not going to leave you. I'm going to give you the exact plan that you need to maintain those lean, shredded, flat abs at the end of this course. And that's what makes this program so much different from others. So I'm so glad that you're here and you've stopped jumping around from Pinterest board to Pinterest board or magazine workout to magazine workout and crash diet programs all over the place, and you've found something here that's sustainable for you, that you get to keep for life, and that will be continually updated and continually educating you for the best methods to get lean, shredded abs.